What about just our wee video? Wilson Bohannan WB padlock, 5-pin, no security pins. As everybody knows, it opens both ways, anti-clockwise, clockwise. This one doesn't seem to work too sweet. I don't know what the problem is with it, but it seems sticky and carries on, so I'm going to be picking this anti-clockwise. Sorry, it is locked there. It is locked. Pick this one anti-clockwise because it won't pick the other way. I don't know why, but it doesn't pick the other way for some reason. Four, 3, I'm looking for pin 2, sorry, pin 1 again. If we could get on with this, behind that 10 inch. There we go, job done. Thanks for watching, bye, see you later.